So here we have to find out three numbers, and these three numbers must be in AP with the condition that their sum is 12 and the sum of their cubes is 288. So let's begin. So first we will consider the first term. Let the first term be represented by the letter A in lowercase. So we have the first term given by A, and since the numbers are in AP, so we'll also have to specify its common difference. So let the common difference be represented by the letter D in lowercase. Now we have to specify these three numbers that are in AP. So we'll take A minus D, A plus D. These are the three numbers that are in arithmetic progression, and we'll also need to find out their values. We'll use the first condition, that the sum of these three numbers that's equals to 12. So we are going to add them. So we have A minus D plus A plus D, that's equals to 12. Now the reason why I chose A minus D, A and A plus D as the three terms in AP, because when we take their sum, we see that the common difference gets cancelled out. So we are only left with A. So this is going to help us find out the value of A with ease. That means our A value, which is the first term, that came out to be 4. Now we are also given the condition that the sum of the cubes is 288. Sum of the cubes means we'll take our term A minus D, cube it, add it to A cubed, and then also add it to A plus D whole cube. And when we take the sum, this value is equals to 288. Now let's expand A minus D whole cube. So this is going to give us A cubed minus 3A squared D plus 3AD squared minus D cube. Then we have positive A cube. Then we are going to expand A plus D whole cube, which is going to give us A cubed plus 3A squared D plus 3AD squared plus D cube. So this is going to be equals to 288. Now we see that a few of the terms will get cancelled out. So we have negative 3A squared D, positive 3A squared D cancelling out. Then we also have negative D cube and positive D cube cancelling out. So this is going to leave us with value A cube, A cube, A cube. That's repeating 3 times. So we have 3A cube. Then we have 3AD squared added to 3AD squared. So this will be positive 3A 6AD squared. And this is going to be equals to 288. Now what we can do, we can divide each of the terms on both left hand side and right hand side with 3. So we have A cube plus 2AD squared equals to, that will be equals to 96. And we have obtained the value of A here. So we can take A as the common factor. So this is going to give us A squared plus 2D squared equals to 96. The A value, that's 4. So we have 4 times 4 squared will be 16. 16 plus 2D squared equals to 96. Now from 16 plus 2D squared, if we factor out 2, so we have 8 times. This is 8 plus D squared equals to 96. So 8 plus D squared will be equals to 96 divided by 8. So that will be 12. And we have solving for D squared. We will have D squared equals to 12 minus 8. So that's 4. And taking the square root on both sides, we are going to get plus or minus 2. So we have obtained the value of the common difference, which came out to be plus or minus 2. So we have A equals to 4 and D equals to plus or minus 2. So let's say we have A equals to 4 and D equals to plus 2. Then we can also have the other condition where A is 4 and D is negative 2. Using this fact, we have to obtain the value of A minus D, A and A plus D. So A minus D means 4 minus 2. That's going to give us the value 2. Then A is 4 and A plus D is going to give us the value 6. Then when you choose D to be equals to negative 2, we're going to get the value 6, 4 and 2. So these numbers are going to be in AP. 6, 4, 2. This is also going to be in AP. And in both the two cases, we'll see that the sum is going to be equals to 12 and the sum of the cube is going to be equals to 288.